Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Glamrock Freddy from Five Nights at Freddy's Security Breach. It's going to be simple, easy, for beginners, so stick around. It's going to be about 10 minutes. It's going to be like the upper body. Basically, we're going to draw his upper body. It's going to be real simple stuff. Alright, so let me walk you through the entire thing. Alright, stay around till the end too, because at the very end I'm going to do I'm going to wrap up the drawing with something. So, okay, let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do here is I am going to, let's see. So think about Freddy's head as kind of like looks like a hamburger to me. I don't know why. It looks like a big old burger, but a lot of it's very round. So right off the bat here, I'm going to draw top right here, curve for the top of his head. And I'm just going to straight up draw the hat that's on his head right now. Two lines, flat across, line here, curve, line here. Right there, you got that simple top hat. Roll Freddy. So this is going to curve around the corner and I'm going to pull a line downward. Like so. Curve it right here. Pull a line down here. I'm going to go about this area and I'm going to draw a square nose. And I'm going to fill that in. Maybe leave a little bit for the highlights. Go straight over here. Straight over here. Now let's draw his giant eyes. He's got these really pretty big, creepy eyes. Circle here. Circle here. Let me fix this line. Ah, man, this marker is gross. The marker's like all dried out and broken. Gonna go over here on this side. Draw another circle. Draw another circle. And I'm gonna fill that in. Alright. Gonna go over here on this side. Curve around the corner here. Curve around the corner here. Line down. Cross here. Curve up. Curve around here. Straight. Alright, we got that face there. So let's draw his ear. And his ear is a circle on that side, and the other one on this side. Don't forget, hit the subscribe if you haven't. If you like learning how to draw in general in this kind of format where it's all about 10 minutes or so, and it's all, you know, easy for the most part. We're just kind of walking through it. Absolutely hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. Going over here, circle. Over here on this side, another circle. All right. So we're gonna. Well, actually, let's keep going down here. So down a bit, and flat across. And those are his teeth. So we're gonna go right here. Put these spaces in his teeth. And he's got another row of, obviously, that bottom row of teeth over here. Same exact thing. Out, over here, curve, out, curve, and we're gonna draw the bottom line over here. All right. All right, now we're gonna draw a circle here for the bow tie, pulling out over here, in, line over here as well. We're gonna pull this shape out over here. Shoulders, or at least the kind of upper neck area, down. Now this is the shoulder. Curve, he's got that plate going on right there. Down over here. Down over here. And we're gonna find this plate over here. But we're not gonna draw the whole thing because we need the microphone over here. So the microphone's gonna be over here. I'm gonna draw a circle for the mic. Then I'm gonna draw like a box at the end of it. Like there. And I'm gonna draw a straight line down and another line down here for the stand. Alright, and that's gonna just go off the page somewhere. Line over here for that other part of the shoulder blade, that shoulder pad. Down. Arms kind of down. Down over here for the lower torso. Same thing over here. Down for this torso. Curve over here. Down. Down here. And maybe like a line right here up. Let's draw this arm on this side. Over here. And just the hand is going to be like the thumb there. And then like the rest of the hand can be kind of like a hook shape. Doesn't have to be too wild and draw these extra lines in the back. We want to draw the joints a little bit, so I'm going to go in here and just kind of over here as well. I forgot this arm down over here. All right, and maybe I'm gonna fill in this mic. Put a checker board at the top of that. Gonna fill in. You're gonna fill that part in. Okay, so let's go over here to his face, and we're gonna go over here and throw a line right here and above that as well for one eyebrow, and we're gonna do a curved line over here on this side for the other eyebrow. And now I think you're gonna need a pretty decent marker because we're gonna try to put in some of the designs here, because right now we have regular Freddy right there. Put the earring in. I'm gonna fill that in, that earring. Line right here, thinner line than normal because it's supposed to be the paint. Thin line. And I'm going to draw a curved line here and a curved line here. Down, across. And I'm going to pull a line here. Same thing on this side. Out, across. And so it kind of shows the kind of like this layer of face paint on here. And you can draw another layer right there because there's supposed to be another layer. Down over here. Whew. Line down. Curve out. In. Zigzag it. Up. For that symbol on his chest. He's got like this kind of lightning bolt thing. And that is pretty much it for this version of. All right, that is it. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed that. Reach out to me, say hi to me on the online. Share the video if you did enjoy it, and press that like. And that's it. I will talk to you next time, and I will see you very soon. So, like I said, I thank you so much for sticking around. See ya. So if you're looking to upgrade your art skill overall, I highly recommend you check out my Skillshare. It's also completely for beginners. The biggest difference is these are hour-long courses on drawing, like I said. So if you're starting out, this is perfect for you as well. It's just that I take longer on each particular topic to really ingrain it in you, and this is how people fully level up their art skill if you're serious about it. So like I said, I have things here on the basics of drawing. I have the anatomy. I go over anime as well. I go over cartoons as well here. I go over drawing basics. Also fantasy art topics like dragons and things of that sort. There's a dragon drawing video here. This is like pretty much the mecca for stuff like this. What you should do as well, normally this stuff is like $40, right? The whole website. But go to the link in the description of the YouTube video you're watching right now. Go down, check out the link with the hearts on it. Right below that, click that link for Skillshare. And that will give you, at least the first, I think the first 100 people, it's going to give you a free month of Skillshare. So basically you can see everything on this thing completely for free for a month without paying anything. So that's what's cool about it. So like I said, this is only for the people that are very, they really want to do this and they really want to put a lot of time into this. Go check this out. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload. And on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.